Several development projects across Yobe State are nearing completion, with Governor Mai Malabuni's administration gearing up for commissioning early next year. A team led by the Commissioner for Housing and Urban Development, Architect Ahmad Buba Abbakari, inspected major projects in Damaturu, including newly constructed health, housing, and commercial facilities.
It's a routine inspection to ensure that most of these projects, both completed and ongoing, have met the expectation of government and people.
At the Shehu Sule College of Nursing and Midwifery, the newly constructed Department of General Studies and Public Health was handed over by the contractor AAM Standard Vision to the Commissioner of Housing and Urban Development, who handed over to the Commissioner of Health, Dr. Muhammad Lawangana, before being transferred to the college management.
This is part of the expansion of the college, where new courses are introduced, and then of course more students will be trained. This is in keeping with the vision of His Excellency in terms of increased production of healthcare workers that are going to serve the state. The vision of the state is actually to make the state a hub of medical tourism. And one of the essences is to have enough healthcare workers. As we all recall, His Excellency in the last 5 years has actually absorbed over 2,500 healthcare workers across the system.
The inspection also covered other key projects, including the remodeling of roundabouts, the Damaturu Mega City Mall, the Mega Motor Park, and office edifices for the Yobe State Bureau of Public Procurement and the Ministry of Housing and Urban Development.
We are very much known of doing a qualitative work, and we are going to deliver this project timely, inshallah, within the stipulated period as in the contract agreement.
All the project we have inspected, the contractors have done a lot, and they have gone far, and inshallah they will achieve based on the time frame of the project.
At the Mega City Mall, the pace of work remains a concern. The Commissioner noted that although compliance has improved since last year's suspension, contractors need to increase their speed to meet the Governor's commissioning timeline.
Alhamdulillah, so far out of where we visited, we're happy with the majority of the projects, and then yes, there are a few that we have to call the contractors to at least come to order in a way, because some of these projects have been experiencing delays. As you're aware, times without number, we've been to the site, and it led to stopping the site somewhere around last year due to lack of compliance. But now, alhamdulillah, the contractor is complying. Just that the speed is what would also encourage him to kind of push in terms of moving forward, because His Excellency is willing to commission most of these projects.
The inspection also included the Red Bricks Housing Estate, where 7 renovated blocks are now serving as the temporary campus for the newly approved Mai Malabuni College of Integrated Sciences. Once the permanent campus is ready, the blocks will be reallocated to residents, and the classrooms will serve the local community.
Security situation of the state has improved, so as a result, the CTU were reallocated or relocated to a different location, and that prompted to the renovation of these houses. And after that, of recent, His Excellency approved the establishment of Mai Malabuni College of Integrated Sciences, and we chose this particular site as their pioneering site, which is going to be a temporary site. So the blocks are completed, just that it was renovated, while the ongoing constructions are the temporary classes that is going to be used. And once they move to their new site, is going to be reallocated to people, while the classrooms is going to be used as a community school.
With these projects nearing completion, Yobe State is poised for another round of infrastructural upgrades, reflecting Governor Mai Malabuni's sustained commitment to health, education, housing and urban development. Abdulaziz Muhammad Shehu, YTV News.